Okay, so in front of you here, everyone, I have two kind of rice. I have it here. I show you first. I have rice number one, rice number two. Can you guys please tell me what different from the rice here? Yes, exactly, about the color. And this one looks more whiter, right? And can you guys please tell me which one is sticky rice? Yes, exactly, the whiter one. Yeah. About the sticky rice, it looks more whiter because it have a lot of the starch. That's why it's sticky. Yeah. And about the sticky rice, we don't add the ingredient or the magic thing for making it sticky. It's born to be sticky. Yeah. Exactly. And about the sticky rice, everybody, the way to make it is a little bit difficult than the jasmine rice. Did you guys used to cook with the jasmine rice before?
Yes.
How to cook jasmine rice, everybody?
Boiled.
Yes, exactly. 1 cup of rice, 2 cup of water, boil together, done, right? So the rice, the jasmine rice, we take time around like 30 minutes or 40 minutes, maximum 1 hour for cook about the jasmine rice. But about the sticky rice, everybody, if you need to cook the sticky rice, you need to have time, 6 hours at least.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Is it mean the rice that we have is now we prepare from yesterday? And how to prepare the rice, everybody? We have a lot of the step of the process to make it. First, we're gonna start with the dry rice like this. We clean it with the water about 4 or 5 times. After we clean it, we soak it in the water, in the room temperature water, 4 hours at least. Yeah. But Thai style, in the northern part here, we make it for overnight. Yeah. Comparing, everybody, can I have your hand? I give this one. This is the dry version of rice, everybody, and I let you comparing with the version after we soak it. I have this one for you as well, everybody. Another one, another version. You pick one for yourself. You pick for yourself one. Let you comparing, everybody. You guys see how different after we soak the rice in. The dry one is hard, and about the soak in the water version is more clear, more bigger, and easy to break it. You see here, yeah. And after we get the rice like this already, everybody, we cannot boil. If you boil, you get rice soup. How to make it sticky? You need to steam. You need to have the double steamer like that. Yeah, it is the Thai style. Yeah, it is the local style. We need to have the baskets like this together with this one, the neck. Yeah. We put all of the rice in here, drain the water out, and then steam. To take time for steam around like 20 or 40 minutes, depends on how much of the rice you have. You need to have basket here, very important. Because if you add the sticky rice in here directly, the name is sticky rice and for sure it's sticky around. Yeah, that's why we have this one too easy to take it out like this. And the sticky rice in northern part here. If you are in Thailand, for sure you have to taste the sticky rice already. But mostly in the northern part of Thailand here, we have a lot of the sticky rice. Then you guys have to try the Thai breakfast before.
Right?
Thai breakfast.
Yeah.
I mean the sticky rice with the grilled pork.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it is the Thai breakfast. You got breakfast is toast, fried egg, sunny side up, but we are eat the sticky rice at the morning, everybody. You will see in the Chiang here, in the northern part here, we have a lot of the sticky rice. And comparing with the Bangkok, in the middle part or south part, is totally different. Mostly they serve with the jasmine rice because landscape, everybody. Because of the in the middle part and south part, they have a lot of the big river, they have a lot of the water. Yeah, and about the jasmine rice, they need a lot of the water to grow up. Yeah, and about northern part here, we have like less water, but we have like mountain. We need to grow the rice in the mountain, something like that. Yeah, easier about the sticky rice to grow up. Yeah, to get the sticky rice. That's why we need it here. Yeah, and about the sticky rice, after we steam today, everybody, is it not for our main crab today? We serve for the dessert today for the mango sticky rice. What's your question, crab?
The steam is from the boiling water or you just pour boiling water in this? Or?
Yeah, we boil it. We boil it. After that, we steam.
No, is it on continuous heat?
Yeah, exactly. Around like 20 minutes. Yeah, maximum is gonna be like 40 minutes. Yeah. Not too difficult, but if you don't have like the basket like this, everybody, you can find the basket like this back home of yours. Maybe it's easier if you go with the same way with dumpling. Yeah, with double steamer of yours. Yeah, the same. Yeah, same way, not too difficult to make it. Okay. And this is the information for the sticky rice and the jasmine rice, how different and how to make it everybody. We're gonna move a little bit to be here in the banana. About